From this minute, this second, only English, no Malayalam. I speak Malayalam, I give 10 rupees fine you. You speak Malayalam, you give 10 rupees fine me. Okay? Okay.
Not about you I am talking, but so many doctors, government doctors, including government doctors, not private doctors. Okay, they are doing a fantastic work. I know Dr. Ashokan. I visited Dr. Ashokan's clinic. All facilities. I actually surprised.
Now full eat, no hungry for dinner. Endona? Now full eat, no hungry for dinner.
Doctors are practicing and they are in connection with the lab and scanning center. But the scanning center is the name. It may be some other name, but the money spending by him, by the doctor or he or she.
No, Achu. You believe. This time I study. You ask English question. I reply English answer. Please.
Actually, what is happening? Last 25 years, what is happening in the medical college? Anybody thought about that? But our assembly, 15 years back.
Look, Achu. I make chapati. You make vegetable curry. 50-50. Nothing.
Somebody is very happy to learn that in the GO, not included the dental. No.
Take some vendakas, cut small pieces. Take onion, cut small pieces.
It may be some mistake or error. We discussed about the dental college, the pharmacy college, nursing college, the non-clinical matters. That's all.
Put chira chatti, put it in the adupu, put some coconut oil, put some kadugamanis, little kariveplas, kadugara.
But dental private practice, I saw a government doctor. He is keeping a very fine dental chair and all other facilities in his house itself.
Take vegetables, put it in. Little chili powder, little barley powder, little curry masala powder, little upu, close it, curry ready, go.
The our tooth, not only health, now it is another thing also, I am part of it, because the beautification I don't know. No, yeah, after 5 years or after 10 years, each and every parent are trying, no, tooth. It is the face the tooth can change the overall face beauty.
You want to speak in English, right?
Honorable Minister is only going and seeing the general hospital.
If the people who know real English, if they hear you, they'll think that you're mad, yeah?
That UDF government's times view.
William Shakespeare said that language is a medium for communication. Oh. Have you heard about Wordsworth? Wordsworth said that language is the music of nature. And if I go according to your instructions, I will have to commit suicide like Sylvia Plath and putting my head into the burner, understand? Mole, Achu, namukku Malayalam madi. Madiyo? Madi. Amma poyi vendakka curry undakate? Adha nallathu.